stuff is missing, like carrots and apple, chicken. Can't really find them at the moment, but yeah, I will just give them cowgirl, because I'm actually a little boy. If you were wondering that. Anyway. This is where my carrots go. I can't really find them at the moment. We've got and this actually did come with the farm. The thing I'm about to show you didn't come with the farm, but my hat! It mostly does come with like Fluttershy. So it's one of these little wheel things here. Then I'll get Apple Bloom to try to show you this. Are your legs too small? Okay, the other Applejack can come. Getting notifications. I keep getting comments. Okay. So you basically put it on your hoof like that and just roll it around. Most of the hooves aren't big enough, but really wide. Now, Apple Bloom can show you the car. Finally, she gets to show you something. So, here's the car. And, oh, I forgot to show you something. This opens. And it's normally where all my cows and horses and everything else go in there. So, now passing it on to you, Apple Bloom. Okay, so as you can see, this is the car here, and it opens up. You can go inside, and right at the front, you go right up there. There's a little hoof pad there. You just press, and it can go. And then there's these little flags that stick out. Just like that. There's this little thing up here, little bowl that you can put anything in it. And yeah. So I hope you enjoyed my farm tour. If you did, leave a like, comment and subscribe. So goodbye.